For the YouTube creators who create content and they had only one particular language audience, now you can have a better outreach. You can reach more people with the language dubbing. So if your videos are in English, as a YouTube creator, you now have this automatic dubbing option. And if you want to reach broader audience who does not know one particular language in which you make video, and you want to make your videos access to them, you have these features available on YouTube. Not everyone has as of now. It is being introduced batch by batch. Earlier I also did not have. Recently I have been introduced to this. So you can see here, if you have any of these language, what is listed here, for example, you make videos in Hindi, then the automatic dubbing will convert that into English. And if you have in English, you can convert to all this language. So you are making your video reach broader audience. And for you to do this, once you are on your YouTube channel, come to YouTube Studio. You can click here and come to the YouTube Studio. On YouTube Studio, click here on Settings. Here you see. Then here you come to Upload Default and Advanced Setting. So here, once you come down, this is where the automatic dubbing section is. So you can see here right now I have kept it allow automatic dubbing and manually review dubs before publishing. If you don't want this, you can uncheck. Anytime the dubbing happens, automatically all the dub version will get populated. So if you keep this manually, which I have kept it, let me show you what happens. And once you have done everything and you have saved, this will be your advanced setting default. Now, one question comes to mind is, what happens to the older video? Will it automatically get dubbed and shown to these audience? The answer is no. Any new video which you will be uploading are the ones which will get dubbed, and based on what your preference is here in this advanced setting, that way it will get shown to the newer audience. So the old ones have no dubbing option. The newer one, whenever you do the upload, will have this dubbing option. Once you come to your content section, you will have your uploaded content. And for example, let me show you this content. Let me go and click on this detail. For this particular video, you see here, this is where the language dubbing section is. Once you click here, right now, because I want to review what I have uploaded, it all shows in draft. You can see here, the title and description are already published, and you can go and click on the draft and you can go ahead with publish if you want to do that right away. Or if you want to go and review the dubbing, just click here and it shows the title and description, which was automatically generated by YouTube. And this is the preview section. Here, just go and click the language and then you play.
ये बिंगो डबलर कार्ड है। यह एक इंस्टेंट स्क्रैच एंड विन कार्ड है। तो जब आप किसी भी ओजी रिटेल आउटलेट पर $5 का भुगतान करते हैं, तो ये डिस्प्ले पर होगा।
So you see, this has been automatically dubbed into Hindi language without me doing any effort. And this may not sound like me. This might not come in the same tone and manner in which I'm speaking, but this is good for the audience who wants to understand in Hindi. For them, it is right away available. This is the automatic dubbing for you, which YouTube has recently launched, and make use of it. Thanks for watching.